Hi guys, I'm making this video so that I can show you how to make a wet mount slide with a sample of cheek cells, epithelial cells we call them, from inside your cheek. So we're going to use this sample in lab. We're going to examine it under the microscope. So I want to make sure you guys know how to make the slide properly. So we have some things here. I brought some things. I'm at my house. I brought some things home because I thought I could film this easier here. First of all, I've got just a little Dixie cup with water in it, so I got my pipette, but I've just got water in here. You guys are going to use iodine, so you're going to be sampling iodine as your liquid, but I'm just going to use water as the stand-in. I've also got my slide, which we're going to set right here to get started. We're going to use that first. And I've also got my cover slip and a toothpick. Notice our toothpick is flat on one side, or I'm sorry, pointy on that side, and then on the opposite side it's flat, it's wider. We're going to be using the flat side of that because we're not trying to stab ourselves in the cheek. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is take your sample of iodine. Again, I'm using water. All we need is just a drop. So I'm going to take a drop of that. I'm going to put that on my slide, and then I'm going to set my iodine aside. You don't need it after that. Next, that's ready and waiting. The next step is to take your toothpick, once again, not the pointy side. Use the wider side of the toothpick. We are not trying to stab our cheeks. It doesn't hurt. We're not pushing. We're not trying to scrape away anything like a layer of skin. It doesn't take that much pressure. So you put it inside your cheek and you just scrape along the side there a little bit. Now, on that are some cheek cells. Again, that's all it takes. So now I've got my iodine here. I've got my toothpick that's got some cheek cells on it, and I'm just going to take that thing and I'm going to kind of dip it into the iodine, and I'm going to kind of roll it so that some of my cheek cells are going to fall off and kind of just lay in that liquid. Alright, so I'm done with my toothpick. That is trash. Next, I take my cover slip. I'm going to place it over my slide until it bumps up against the water, or the iodine for you. And I'm going to slowly lay it down until I get a nice little slide with some cheek cells in there, and again you're going to have some iodine. So for me that's just water, but that'll be iodine on your slide. And that's it. That's your slide. Now you can take this and put it on the microscope and have a look at your cheek cells.